Finally guys, DeepSeek v4 Pro and Flash are finally out. 1.6 trillion parameters on DeepSeek v4 Pro. It's competitive with the world's best models, GPT 5.4, Opus 4.6, and you can see, for example, Sui benchmark, terminal bench, it's very competitive with the Frontier. This is absolutely insane, and it's trained on very nerfed NVIDIA GPUs and Huawei GPUs. If you want to learn how to do AI research and build large language models like DeepSeek v4 from scratch, join our school, link below the video. And there is community that will help you become AI researcher. It has a very rich world knowledge. We all know that Gemini 3.5 is very good at just like knowing so many facts about the world. So DeepSeek v4 is actually only trailing behind Gemini, which is so crazy that an open source model is capable of doing this. In China, DeepSeek is considered the best company by other companies as well. Every other company in China thinks that DeepSeek is better than them. These benchmarks are absolutely insane. It's the best open source model. Even if Kimi 2.6 just got released, DeepSeek still beats it. And I also believe, guys, that DeepSeek is working closely with Chinese government to advance Chinese chips. This is why it took them so long to release the next model. They are probably working with Huawei and all of the other chip makers in China to make Chinese chips very competitive. And I think DeepSeek v4 is heavily trained utilizing Chinese chips, and I also think Huawei and chip makers are working closely with DeepSeek to improve their chips for DeepSeek training, for LLM training, etc. So that's why it's taking them so long. But I think they made big improvement now. So I think this is the biggest open source model that we have by now, and this performance is absolutely insane. It's so good. Look, it's competing with the best models in the world right now. Look at the compute improvement they made. Previously, DeepSeek v3.2 had this scaling, this line, but look, as you add more tokens, more context, you see how it's scaling a lot less. You need a lot less compute now with DeepSeek v4 because it's using DSA and token-wise compression. And 1 million token context is now standard. I think we're gonna start using DeepSeek v4 for agentic coding for everything. It's gonna be so much cheaper, and it's gonna create a lot of pressure on GPT, on Anthropic. I'm curious to see what Anthropic will do now, because Anthropic is pulling away all of the coding like Claude Code and stuff. So we'll see what effect this has. And it can seamlessly integrate with Claude Code, OpenClaw, OpenCode, etc. There is an absolutely huge technical report here going on. So they're using manifold constrained hyperconnections. That's one of their papers. They're also using some new architectures on compressed sparse attention, heavily compressed attention. I didn't see this before. They're also using multi-token prediction, same as v3. They're also using compressed sparse attention. This is the architecture. Maybe we will make more videos on these. This paper is an absolute gold mine of knowledge. There is so much stuff here. All of the math theory on creating LLMs. I guess this video is more like a news introduction, so I'm gonna make more videos about technical deep dives, about research that can be done from here. I also do research myself, by the way, I'm a researcher. So just subscribe and stay tuned. I'm gonna start making more like math, technical coding videos on all of this, explaining all of this. You can join our school if you want to learn all of this math, if you want to learn how to do AI research, build LLMs from scratch, and there is community, link below the video. Start your free trial right now. I'm always here answering, replying, adding notes, questions, videos, tutorials, etc. So see you in the community.